Hook your cruise vacation can go wrong in the first 24 hours without you even realizing it, and most first-time cruisers make these mistakes on day 1. Part 2. The BODY Countdown. 10 banned items you must never bring on a cruise day 1. Rules: long explanations included to reach approximately 30 minutes total runtime. Item number 10. Irons and steamers. Let's start with one of the most common mistakes first-time cruisers make. Bringing your own iron or clothes steamer on a cruise ship is a big no. Cruise ships ban these items because they are major fire hazards. Remember, a cruise ship is basically a floating hotel packed with thousands of people. One small fire can become a disaster. Even travel-sized steamers are not allowed. If security finds one in your bag, they will confiscate it immediately and only return it at the end of the cruise, if you're lucky. Cruise do instead. Most cruise lines offer laundry services or pressing services, and many ships even have self-service laundry. Item number 9. Surge protectors and extension cords. This one surprises a lot of people. You might think bringing a surge protector is smart, especially with phones, cameras, power banks, and smartwatches. But cruise ships do not allow surge protectors. Why? Because surge protectors can interfere with the ship's electrical system and cause power overloads. Cruise do instead bring a non-surge multi-plug adapter, preferably. These are allowed and safe. Item number 8. Candles and incense. Candles may feel relaxing, but on a cruise ship, they are completely banned. That includes scented candles, decorative candles, incense, sticks even, if you promise not to light them. Security doesn't take chances. Why they're banned? Open flames plus moving ship plus enclosed cabins equals extreme fire risk. Cruise do instead use battery-operated LED candles or enjoy the ship's spa for relaxation. Item number 7. Alcohol more than allowed. Yes, this one causes drama at embarkation. Most cruise lines allow limited alcohol. Usually, 1 bottle of wine or champagne per adult. Anything more than that will be confiscated, stored until the end of the cruise, or sometimes liquor is usually 100% banned from carry-on bags. Cruise do instead buy drinks on board or purchase a drinks package. It often saves money. Item number 6. Weapons and self-defense items. This includes more than you think. Knives, pepper spray, scissors with long blades, multi-tool. 7 items meant for personal safety are banned. Why? Cruise ships follow strict maritime security laws. Any weapon, real or perceived, is not allowed. Cruise do instead stick to ship security. Cruise ships are among the safest vacation environments in the world. Item number 5. Drones. Drones might give amazing footage, but most cruise lines ban them completely. Some ships allow drones only in port, and even then, you cannot fly them on the ship. You cannot launch or land them on board. Why drones are banned? Passenger privacy, safety risks, interference with ship operations. Cruise do instead use a handheld camera, GoPro, or phone for your content. Item number 4. Illegal substances, including CBD in some regions. This is serious. Cruise ships follow international laws, and what's legal in your country may be illegal in another port. This includes marijuana, CBD products, certain prescription drugs, without documentation. Why this is dangerous? You could face heavy fines, being removed from the ship, or even arrest at port. Cruise do instead carry only doctor-prescribed medication with original packaging. Item number 3. Large speakers and sound systems. Big Bluetooth speakers are another commonly confiscated item. Why? Because they disturb other passengers and violate noise policies. Cruise lines want everyone to relax, not hear your playlist through the walls. Cruise do instead bring headphones or earbuds and enjoy your music privately. Item number 2. Cooking appliances. This includes hot plates, coffee makers, electric kettles, rice cookers, ice cookers. Even small appliances are banned due to fire risk. Cruise do instead. Most cabins already provide coffee stations, room service, buffet access nearly 24/7. Trust me, you won't starve on a cruise. Item number 1. Prohibited items you forgot were banned. This is the biggest mistake of all. Things like hoverboards, e-cigarettes used improperly, walkie-talkies, ham radios. People often forget these are banned until security pulls their bag aside. Cruise do instead always check your cruise line's official banned list before packing. Part 3. The outro. Smooth CTA. So there you have it. The most important cruise do's and don'ts for day 1, especially the banned items that can ruin your vacation before it even begins. A cruise should be stress-free, relaxing, and unforgettable, and avoiding these mistakes puts you miles ahead of most first-time cruisers. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another cruise tip, and comment below what item surprised you the most. Safe travels, and enjoy your cruise.